don't know if you can tell by my voice,
I don't want
but
you to get my face.
we are doing flat packs today. So we've started in House's room. Emily's struggling to build a little chair.
I can't do it. It's a pissy little chair as well.
Oh, you're building his bed. So, but I've had many experiences in the past with flat packs, so I just got to play it out in where I want it to be, and hopefully we'll get through it.
Can you help me do this? I can't do it.
No, you build your chair, I'll build my bed.
I can't.
But yes, number one in House's room, sort of spread out, kind of
And then we're doing our TV.
everywhere. Then we're doing the TV unit, and then we'll see if we get to our bed. If not, it'll be this weekend. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Done. TV cabinet. Okay. Day 957. We're no, we were down here earlier. Emily's had the whole day off, but she's bought some flowers and had a cup of tea with her friends and stuff. But me and Dad came earlier and painted some of the faces outside. But we're going to do the main bed. I've unpacked all the cardboard and it's just trying to put it together. We don't know if we're going to go under there or over here. Over here was where the bed was before. You've got the sockets either side, but I think it'd be pretty cool having it underneath the skylights. But you loving life?
Yep. So our beautiful bed is being built.
We're winning. Slowly. Slowly. Who bought a hydraulic bed? So this is time for cheese.
Hey.
Praise the Lord. What even is the time?
Like 10 o'clock?
20 to 10.
Yeah, wrong.
There we go. Evening well spent and all that.
Lie here and have a look at that. It looks a bit weird.
You bet the whole thing's going to go.
Oh my god, be careful.
I am!
Oh my god.
Not comfy. Not Oh yeah.
You'll think? You're really pissed all that.
That'll piss me off.
Sorry, it's a nice hole. Oh!
Well, sanded jaws.
Bullseye. Just a nice bit of gutter. That's where the magic's happening. Just stuff, more stuff. All gutter unlucky, but we're pretty good actually. We've done 3 out of 5. In the process, number 3. Parking underneath this tree is a joke. Pigeons be pooing. Just covered. Absolutely covered. End of another day. I thought I was a goner then.
Come on.
I thought,
About your road safety.
oh, I need to do a video on it.
No, you don't.
Oh, that's such a busy week.
Do it.
My trips. Right, go on then. You go first. I can film you and laugh.
No, because I need you to go back then.
Oh my god. Okay, come on.
Oh.
It's too tall. You're gonna have to light it down. So.
What?
It's too tall.
It is
isn't it?
let down.
It's gonna hit that.
Come on, you pots.
Hey, look at me, I'm doing it. Wait, I just can't do it.
Pick it up then.
Yeah, I'm not doing it now. 3, 4, 5.
Praise the Lord.
Right, now you've got a proper lifted job in on the handles. Handles.
You go underneath.
What are you going to do, jump onto the bed?
Yeah. But my arms don't.
Yeah, far apart.
What did you do if it was the wrong size?
Oh, I just jump up and just never come back again.
Oh, it's really it comfy?
I hope it is.
Come on then. That's it, we can't afford any bedding. Let's go with plain.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Oh, will I break the bed?
Yes.
Sounded like it broke a little bit.
It also gives them floors.
Yeah, that'd be awkward, end up in a lounge. So yeah, windows tomorrow. We're just trying to clear all the room, loads of clothes to bring. Emily's going to take over the house. But stuff. Harry's bedroom is probably the most together, isn't it? Oh yes, got Daddy's Woody in there. Just waiting for a mattress, but he's actually got all his bed in. We've got our bed in, but Emily left it at home, so we're just white. It's window time. Oh, new windows, yeah. Got to film the other day. Oh, old. New. Feel quite bad. Dad's been doing like Oliver, just sort of rocked up here. Here I am. Just so you can see. Hello. Hello, workers. Looking good. I'm working. Come and see. Sleep. Harry Bones. Did it come out all right?
Moving forward. Yeah, and then
Little neighbour, little neighbour. Don't let go.
Hi.
No. Oh, I was lucky. You almost got a cry.